In these problems, we're being asked to rationalize the denominator in these square roots of fractions. And, this square root of 2/3 can be rewritten as the square root of 2 over the square root of 3. And maybe it's a little easier to see that there is a radical in the denominator when we write it that way. And I think that's a good first step with these problems. When we rationalize the denominator, we make the radical sign disappear from the bottom of the fraction. That's our goal in doing it. And the method is to take this quantity on the bottom, this radical number on the bottom, and multiply by a form of 1 that is that denominator over itself. So if I've got the square root of 3 on the bottom here, I would multiply by the square root of 3 over the square root of 3. When we do that, let's multiply across the top. So the square root of 2 times the square root of 3. Remember, when we multiply square roots, we can just multiply these numbers together and put them under the radical sign. So that becomes the square root of 6. And on the bottom, the square root of 3 times the square root of 3, that's the square root of 3 squared, or just 3. Let's try another one here. So first of all, let's go ahead and rewrite this as the square root of 3 over the square root of 7. And then we'll take our denominator here and we'll multiply this whole fraction by the square root of 7 over the square root of 7. This is a form of the number 1. Anything over itself is 1. So I'm not really changing the value here. I'm just changing the form. When we do our multiplication, I have 3 times 7. So this will be the square root of 21 over square root of 7 times square root of 7 is square root of 7 squared, or just 7. So that is how to rationalize the denominator when you have the square root of a fraction.